This is Eckington Industrial Estate Substation, which was installed by National Grid in 2024. We coordinated the installation of this substation specifically for our Pipworth Lane development, which is about 30-40 metres further up the street. The installation of a substation can have a significant impact on your project. Why? Reason number one, timescales. Substations are produced to order. Companies like Schneider give us a lead time of 12 to 16 weeks for the production of a substation. That lead time can fluctuate depending on what time of year it is, the availability of materials, or just generally how busy they are. That 12 to 16 week lead time needs to be built into your programme. The second impact on your project when installing a substation are the lead times surrounding easements. Whenever a substation is installed, the network owner will need an agreement to allow them access to the substation footprint. Essentially, they'll lease the area where the substation is going to be mounted. In addition to that, the cables coming into and out of the substation also have access rights, therefore an easement is applicable to those as well. The substation lease and the cable easements have lead times that you need to be aware of. It generally takes 12 to 16 weeks, similar to the production of a substation, for the legal agreements to be completed and executed. That needs to be built into your programme. Until the legal agreements have been executed, none of the network owners will actually schedule any work. So in addition to the 12 to 16 period, you've got an 8-week lead time to mobilise a team. This particular substation is installed on a plinth in the public highway. It wasn't installed on the site itself. Now, this being the case, it still needed legal easements, it still needed a lease agreement, but the lease agreement came from the local authority. Unfortunately, in some circumstances, the lead times we communicate, 12 to 16 weeks for the execution of those agreements, can be extended. In this case, they were extended. It took about 20 weeks to get the council to sign up to and agree to the lease and the easements for the cables.